Imagine a world where your coffee machine knows exactly when you wake up, where traffic jams are a thing of the past, and where diseases are detected before symptoms appear. This isn't the plot of a science fiction movie, it's happening right now, all around us. Welcome to the rise of artificial intelligence in everyday life. But what exactly is artificial intelligence, or AI? At its core, AI refers to machines or systems that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks and can iteratively improve themselves based on the information they collect. From machine learning to natural language processing, AI encompasses a variety of technologies enabling computers to learn and act intelligently. AI is revolutionizing industries across the globe. Let's explore how. In healthcare, AI algorithms analyze medical images to detect diseases like cancer at stages earlier than ever before. They're helping doctors make accurate diagnoses and personalized treatments. Telemedicine platforms powered by AI are bringing quality healthcare to remote areas, breaking down geographical barriers. In manufacturing, AI optimizes production lines with predictive maintenance, reducing downtime by anticipating equipment failures before they happen. Robotics and automation increase efficiency and safety, handling tasks that are dangerous or monotonous for humans. Agriculture benefits from AI through precision farming. Sensors and drones collect data on soil health, moisture levels, and crop growth. AI analyzes this data to help farmers make informed decisions on irrigation, fertilization, and harvesting, leading to higher yields and sustainable practices. In finance, AI detects fraudulent activities by identifying anomalies in transaction patterns. It powers chatbots that provide customer service around the clock and helps in risk assessment and investment decisions by analyzing vast amounts of financial data. Beyond industries, AI is deeply woven into our daily lives, often in ways we might not even realize. Smart home devices use AI to learn our routines. Thermostats adjust temperatures based on our preferences and habits, saving energy and increasing comfort. Lights, security systems, and appliances can be controlled remotely or programmed to operate autonomously. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant rely on natural language processing to understand and respond to our requests. Whether it's setting reminders, answering questions, or playing music, they make accessing information and services effortless. Ever wonder how Netflix knows what show you'll binge next, or how Spotify creates your perfect playlist? AI algorithms analyze your viewing and listening habits to recommend content tailored to your tastes, enhancing your entertainment experience. AI powers navigation apps that provide real-time traffic updates and optimal routes. Self-driving cars are becoming a reality, promising to reduce accidents caused by human error and improve mobility for those unable to drive. So, what does the future hold for AI? The possibilities are vast and exciting, yet they also come with challenges to consider. We can expect AI to become even more integrated into education, providing personalized learning experiences for students worldwide. Advanced robotics may handle complex tasks in hazardous environments, from deep-sea exploration to space missions. In medicine, AI could unlock cures by rapidly analyzing genetic information and vast medical databases. As AI evolves, so too must our conversation about ethics and responsibility. Ensuring data privacy, preventing biases in AI algorithms, and addressing job displacement due to automation are critical issues that require collective attention from technologists, policymakers, and society as a whole. The future isn't about AI replacing humans but augmenting our abilities. By collaborating with AI, we can solve complex problems, innovate faster, and create a world where technology empowers everyone. Let's debunk some common myths about AI. While AI will automate certain tasks, it will also create new job categories we can't even imagine today, much like the internet did. The key lies in education and reskilling to prepare the workforce for this shift. AI isn't just for big corporations. Small businesses and startups can leverage AI through accessible platforms and tools, enhancing competitiveness and innovation at all levels. Current AI is specialized and operates under human-defined parameters. The idea of AI gaining consciousness and autonomy remains in the realm of science fiction, for now. You might be wondering, how can I be part of this AI revolution? Consider learning about AI and its applications. Numerous online courses cater to all levels, from beginners to advanced practitioners. Understanding AI can open doors to new career opportunities and empower you to make informed decisions. Embrace AI tools that can enhance productivity and efficiency in your personal and professional life. From AI-powered scheduling apps to customer service chatbots for your business, the options are expanding daily. Engage in discussions about AI ethics, policies, and its impact on society. Your voice is crucial in shaping how AI develops responsibly and benefits everyone. Artificial intelligence is more than technology, it's a transformative force reshaping our world. As it continues to advance, it brings the promise of solving some of humanity's greatest challenges. By understanding and embracing AI, we can unlock a future filled with innovation, opportunity, and prosperity for all. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI's rise in everyday life. If you found this video insightful, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our future. Let's continue this journey together.